Do you feel better? Do you feel better? Where could he be now? Where could he be now? What do you do in free time? What do you do in free time? Do you smoke? Do you smoke? How about you? How about you? What about him? What about him? When did you come? When did you come? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? Why do you ask? Why do you ask? Where to sleep? Where to sleep? What are you doing? What are you doing? What is your name? What is your name? Why to go? Why to go? Who is your friend? Who is your friend? Are you waiting for someone? Are you waiting for someone? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? What is your friend's name? What is your friend's name? Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Why don't you reply me? Why don't you reply me? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? How is your mother now? How is your mother now? What will I answer? What will I answer? Who is next? Who is next? Where do you live? Where do you live? What next? What next? How do you go to school? How do you go to school? What kind of work can you do? What kind of work can you do? How to start? How to start? Are you with me? Are you with me? Do you know him? Do you know him? When will you go? When will you go? Are you coming? Are you coming? How are the children? How are the children? What do you want? What do you want? How is she? How is she? What to cook? What to cook? Why now? Why now? Should I bring it? Should I bring it? Why you? Why you? Who are they? Who are they? What does your father do? What does your father do? How do you go to office? How do you go to office? Why are you going to Dhaka? Why are you going to Dhaka? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Can you help me? Can you help me? How is he today? How is he today? How is your family? How is your family? Why are you tired? Why are you tired? How is your family? How is your family? What to do? What to do? Shall I begin? Shall I begin? How to dance? How to dance? What to say? What to say? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? Where to sit? Where to sit? When will you arrive? When will you arrive? Why are you coming to my office? Why are you coming to my office? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.